Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is part 4 of the Great Wall of Taiwan. Really beautiful structures here, and we got the mountains in the distance. Mountains are pretty much all the way around here. Now just here, this is a rebuilt section, and I'm pretty sure that this is where they would have had a cannon of some sort to protect this beautiful city. Alright, so we'll just walk back over here. It is a little bit of a steep climb. I'll just hop up here. Yes. So as I said, this was rebuilt in 1979 and in the 80s as well. So it is quite a beautiful view here, as you can see. And I do apologise if there is any wind sound. This is the second attempt of filming this. I was just going to do a voiceover, but I thought I would seize the day and have a bit of exercise. So I do apologise if there is any wind sound that pops in and out. I did watch the video clip and I was amazed at the view, but I was really upset with the sound quality. And we will get the Rode Wireless fixed when we do return to Australia. But as I said, we are in a wind season between May and October. Very strange winds. Like, we are surrounded by mountains, but we get these terrible winds here. But it is very hot here during the day. Gets well over 31. We're currently on about 27 degrees at 7 a.m. So really beautiful walk. As I said, 2.6 kilometers it does say on the internet. And apologies if I have got some of the history wrong, but you can look that up on the internet. But this was built, as I said, for the Japanese invasion of Taiwan. And the Japanese have occupied Taiwan for a period of time, and you can look that up. But Taiwan is a country run by themselves. China have had their foot in this place before, but it is its own country. Now we'll get a bit of a view of this temple here. But I could just imagine in the old times, you know, men, I dare say women may have been here, but probably men most likely here with their rifle, and they had their cannons, you know, and they were protecting from invasions. So war is very sad, and unfortunately we still have war going on in other parts of the globe. Now I'm not too sure what this is. I thought this was a temple, but it could be some type of exercise place. I'm not exactly sure. It does have a safety thing here. Like, I guess they could be doing training exercises. Apologies for not knowing anything about this, but I could come up and make a film here because there is an entrance there. So I reckon you could go up there, and that's just a safety net if you do happen to fall off. But I don't know why you would fall off, because there is a thing up there. But I will get up there actually at some point, but it is very windy. Okay, now back to our walk. Yep, so certainly don't step over there, because it is quite a big drop. Okay, yeah, I suppose it does add to the charm that they don't have a safety rail there, and I do find that interesting because Taiwan is very safety conscious, as I did show in the original part 2 how they had a safety barrier here, because there was a little raised area here as well. So I'll just duck the camera over here because there are some people walking, and we want to respect people's privacies here, because not everybody wants to be on camera. Ni hao. Yeah, I got the nod there, so it's good. Like they are very reserved here in Taiwan, I've noticed. Yeah. Like I suppose you've got different factions. You've got the educated people and just like the village people. So yeah, but it is quite a lovely place. They are quite friendly, as I said, and you walk into a shop and you won't even be harassed. Now, I think I've come to the end of this section, so we'll probably get another part. Now, this is rather scary, to be honest. There is no barrier there, and I did say that they are very safety conscious, so I have a bit of a walk back, so I'll see what I can do. This is amazing. I wish they did have a step here so you could go on to the next section. So what we'll do is we'll get another clip out of this. Actually, we'll probably get a whole series out of this. So there's another view of the mountains, some more street views. So we'll probably get up there in another video. Now it looks like that was built in 2023. So certainly hit the likes. Check out part 5, sorry, because this is part 4. I do get a bit tongue-tied, yes, apologies, but I do try and supply some comedy and laughter, yes. So hit the like, subscribe. If you haven't enjoyed this, well, you must have enjoyed it because you're still watching it, but if you haven't enjoyed, hit the thumbs down. YouTube is a hobby for me to keep me active, keep the mind active in my retirement. So certainly check out part 5. Uru for now.